You ready? Are you ready? Alright, I go by the name of Jambi Koikai alongside Selector Technics. Yeah man, it's all about conquering, surviving. I survived 21 surgeries and I'm alive today. And we say God is good, and I thank you all for your support. And I just want to say big up to everybody in the party, 1824, enough respect. Alright, Technics, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Regional UB40 this. Okay, let's go. 1824.
Baby, baby,
why did you leave me
for another guy?
Alright.
You wasn't in need of loving,
baby, when you left me, yeah.
and went your way. Yeah.
Alright.
I know that you'll be sorry, but no use come on begging me, 'cause I won't be your plea.
We got to sing again, why?
I was the one who loved you, but you didn't.
Yeah man, pick up Timo Monday there, alright, channel
And now
say
you lost.
1824 things, let's go.
Have a drink in a me left and a me right, and have a spliff of marijuana. And when the bassline jumping on the rhythm, I feel wind up and a dada. Yeah. Me just a wine to the rhythm and later you know what coming after. I tell you what, I don't know about you, but I can only live my life one way.
Alright.
All I wanna do is
Regional Collie Bad say
and I love my girl to some reggae.
to some.
I call her on the phone, tell her I'm coming up, so get ready.
Yeah man, you know the kind of loving I love.
I got some weed,
Yeah man,
the booze. All
yeah man, some good drinks, some good vibes.
is smoke, drink. I love my girl to some reggae.
Technics. 1824. Alright, let's go. Yeah man, tunaimba kama choir, you ready? Alright, let's go. Oh, skanking, grooving. Ha, hallelujah. Everybody sing, skanking. Alright, grooving. Under pressure. Skanking. Under pressure. Alright. You ready? Grooving, yeah. Alright, listen to this. Under the pressures of a life and it's tough. Now stay down, mama, time, figure it up. No bother with the down school vibes, strictly up, full vibes. No, and when the bills and the rent and the mortgage due. When me chalice, when the, and it's only you. Light up a spliff under the skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like, alright, forget your troubles and a rock with. Why oh, you no feel a reggae music. Bumbo, Technics run the thing. Yo, Selector, Technics. Hey, come on, jump what you name back, come on, choir, 1824. Alright. Hey.
Hallelujah.
Oh, what a thing. Hey.
Skanking, grooving.
Hey.
Hey, Skanking,
Yes, sir.
grooving. Under pressure.
Alright.
Skanking,
Yes, sir.
grooving.
Hey.
Under the pressures of a life and it's tough. Now stay down, mama, time, pick it up. No matter with the down, full style.
Strictly up, full vibes.
Now pick it up, so when the bills, then the rent and the mortgage due. When me chalice, when your best friends are gone and it's only you. Yeah, like
Yeah.
a split turn up the music.
Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel like, hey, forget your troubles and a rock with. Hey, you don't feel a reggae music.
Skanking sweet. Everybody wanna feel it.
nasikia kuna kijana anaitwa Seth Gor. Seth Gor ako wapi? Seth Gor ako wapi? Kuja hapa. All right.
Let's recall some great men.
What a team.
Who's been fighting for our rights.
Yeah, man, I go by the name of Sister Jamie Koikai. All right, Seth Gor.
Who's been fighting for our rights. Let's recall some great men. Who's been fighting for our rights. Recall Bob Marley. Who's been fighting for our rights. Recall Rodney Price.
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
He's been fighting for our rights.
Hey, hey.
Recall Burning Spear. Recall Culture Josephine.
Listen. Recall Seth Gor.
Be true, they've been fighting for our rights.
Kuna mwingine anaitwa Joe W. Moshiri. Yako hapa. All right.
Recall them.
Yes. Selector. Techniques. Tende. Let's go.
Let's recall some great men.
Right.
Who's been fighting for our rights. Let's recall some great men. Who's been fighting for our rights.
Regional banding.
Let's recall some great
Busy
men.
signal team.
Who's been fighting for our rights. Let's recall some great men. Who's been fight. Easy.
Yeah.
I will love you without condition.
Yes.
I will love you without a million. Even when your friends are gone and left you one.
Let me tell you a story, a very sad story.
Love you when the pot is empty.
I came back to Nairobi.
Love you when you're not so strong.
I found mjamaa wangu, mtu wangu alishajipanga.
Can't see right.
Akapata dem mwingine. Madem
Even though
kama
you broke my heart.
kama walikuwa na dance hapa.
Here in the dark.
Nimekaa majumbi miaka 2 napatana na msana niambia diangara. Nikashindwa huu na yeye ni nini?
I'll never leave your side.
Nikamwambia ngoja ninge 1824. Niambieni sasa.
Right here till the end, my lover, my friend.
Oi.
I'll be there when you're at your lowest.
Really?
Share your bright days and the dark.
All right.
I'll be there when it's the coldest to keep you warm. I will love you even when you can't.
Super Lady Etana this.
Love me the way I love you.
Selector technique.
Even when you think it's over, I'll be right there next to you. Even though you broke my heart, and I lay here in the dark, tears rolling down my face, going from my heart.
Ooh, I met a boy this morning. She was lovely.
First sight.
What a thing.
Ooh, I met a girl this morning.
Hey.
And she was beauty to my eyes.
Hey.
I asked her where she from.
She tell me from the tropics.
She asked me what's my name.
I tell him his techniques.
And I said, girl, tell me what's her name. And she tell me that her name is
Mama
Jamaica.
choir say.
And I said,
Smile.
girl, smile.
1824.
And I said, smile.
Boy, smile. Ooh, Lord.
Smile for me, Jamaica.
Whenever you cry, here am I.
Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica.
Techniques.
Dry your eyes, girl, smile.
Ooh, Lord.
Smile for me, Jamaica.
I'm not the sort of person who falls instantly out of love, but to you I give my affection.
Leo tunaserereka mpaka che.
If I have a lover
Who loves me? How can I
break
say?
such a heart,
Right.
but you can get my attention right from the start.
How could you come here?
When you know I got troubles enough, how could you call me when you know I can answer the phone?
What?
Make me lie
When I don't want to.
make someone else.
Some man I know in fool.
Make me stay.
When I should
Are
not.
you so strong or is the weakness in me?
How could you come here?
And pretend to be just passing
Super
by.
Lady Etana.
I mean to see you.
Boy.
I mean to hold you tightly, baby. Feeling guilty, worried, waking from tormented sleep. There's no love, got me bound.
Only know you've been high.
When you're feeling low.
Only know you.
Road when you're missing home.
You have to pick up yourself.
Only know you love her when you let her go.
Hey,
Oh,
when you let her go.
why did
Yaman kama uliachoka mamimi.
why did
Ndio sisi yao sasa. Selector. Techniques.
Staying at an empty glass.
Hoping one day
You make a dream last, but dreams come slow.
and it goes so fast.
See how when you close your eyes, maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely die. Oh,
Selector Techniques,
cause
ready
you
when you're
only
ready.
need the light when it's burning low.
Hey.
Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Strictly lovers rock this.
Only know you'll be high when you're feeling low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Oh, cherry, oh, baby.
Hey.
Don't you know I'm in need of thee? If you don't believe it's true, what hardly left for me to do?
Eric is say.
For long I've been waiting for you to come right in. And now that we are together,
Big up MC Dido.
my joys come over.
Alright.
Oh, oh, oh,
Hey.
oh, oh, oh.
1820 from Nani Bamba Mbaya.
Yeah.
Alright, Techniques.
Yeah. Darling, you and me,
Hey. We were meant to be. Hey.
you've always been my love.
Ooh, look. Yeah, man, kama unapenda reggae sema ra. Somebody say more fire. Yeah, man, you know, say it's been a long time before I played some good reggae like this. So I'm gonna sing this for you, and you sing it for me as well. It's been a long time. We don't have no vibes like this. Reggae music, 1824 reggae music. Whoa, and it's been so long. We no listen to some old time reggae song. Play the music. Wicked. Selector Techniques, run the tape.
Selector Techniques, keeping it rocking and locking. Techniques.
Right now, girl, it's you and me to infinity. Yeah, darling, it's you and me. We were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my love.
Alright.
Always been my love.
We'll sing again, you and me. Alright.
For eternity.
Selector
Girl,
Techniques.
you've always been my love. Always been my love.
Me have me wife and me yard,
Selector Techniques, say.
but me woman out the road and breed. Me take a chance and me go too far in romance. Fear back me should have planted the seed. Watch out me yard, cause me woman out the road and breed. Look how me tell her I do, but the little I knew, say me should have got down me speed.
Selector Techniques and Sister Jambi on a club bag.
Get to me, tell me say she fed up, so that talk there you get to
Alright.
me. She say you're 4 years with it, and we still a use boots. Me say you're taking contraceptive, she say yeah to me. My Sophie please her, me say come make we check that. Yeah we do the test, and me say everything lock.
Yeah, man,
So
pick
I
up double
start to
trouble.
skin, me love the
Pick up
beat.
Sister Amy.
So look what I me know, true me and me wife and me
Techniques.
but me woman on the road and breed. Me take a chance and me go too far in romance.
Whoa, raging out of control. I say Nale.
Pull up my selector.
Wale wabaya, wale wanyanya. Jeshi ya Manchester United wewe. I say Nale. Red hot, yeah.
Fire burning.
Arsenal praying for things to get better. Manchester know it a go get.
So much worse. Signs of the times are getting clear.
By them sinione hivi. Mimi nikidemkia ghetto. Lakini nimesoma mbaya.
Clearer every day.
Hey, things are go.
Who shall
Hey, usiogope.
down in a bubble?
Alright, things are go. Down, down. Doga go nyam dogwi.
Selector technique.
Some a ganja planter.
Call me.
Deep down in the dirt, you make good ganja.
Babylon come and light it at off.
Nasikia siku hizi wanasema legalize it.
I'm a ganja planter. Call me the ganja farmer.
Deep down in the earth, you make good ganja.
Babylon come and light it at fire.
Technique.
Big stinking helicopter flow through the air. Where them call it weed eater. Them never did that when me was out in water.
Nilikuwa naambia nimesoma,
Fertilizer,
lakini hii kazi ndio nilipata.
within fire,
Ekonomi ya Kenya
a
mbaya,
hot temper.
ikabidi nimeshika mic
Thinking a rocket,
na niko tu sawa, si ndio? Si ndio?
match.
Round hii wataeleza
Ganja planter.
lyrics na miezo ganja. Selector, techniques. All right.
Yeah. There was a time when all I wanted to do
Was only the things that matter to you.
yeah.
When a man and a woman builds their home, a man's gotta do what his family needs him to do. So when I come home, so Jambi is home.
Everything will be just fine.
Yeah, so I'm coming home.
Everything should be alright. So baby, hold on. Everything will be just fine.
Techniques.
Give my life anything that's survived and I wonder.
Shika time.
It's hard to imagine that I ever got this far.
Kama una wako unashikilia chupa.
Times it was like I was lost and the ship's going under. But just like an angel when I need you most, there you are.
Everybody sing, hold me in your arms tonight. Hey!
Don't you ever let me go.
Alright.
Gonna make it through, I know you only need
To hold me
in your arms tonight.
2014.
Dreams are always coming true. And it started with the love I felt.
Me put a lock on me phone and not tell you me pin
Hey!
number.
Cause when I see no touch,
You tell me you a beg me a call where you gonna search the phone for. Know what tear off me shirt. After me done tell you say you are the woman of the yard, and you know say every man flirt.
yeah man, nice and easy, 1824.
Stress me when you
Fire mama Jambi passing
tell me
through.
where the cussing work.
You know see it, telephone thing I must up like.
It make me a call you why. You know see it. Telephone thing mash up me life. It make me girl run gone tonight. And you know see it. Telephone thing mash up me life. Hey, I hit a cause fuss and fight. You know see it. Telephone thing mash up me life. When me can't sleep good at night.
Telephone dedicated to my black sugar.
Yeah man,
Sweet love.
me and you forever. Ginger and Jambi. Candies and lollies put together. No sweeter than my black. The molasses and chocolate, you feel wonder. Oh, where you get this black sugar Jambi?
Heart tough but still have to surrender.
Woman, you're sweet, good looking and you're tender. From Mama Africa.
Young and Gambia.
Alright,
Your love I truly desire.
we sing again more and more. Forever and ever.
Black sugar me need
More and more.
Black sugar.
Forever and ever.
Black sugar.
Me no remember how when me get the loving from.
Alright, nice. Techniques.
Coulda be Susie too, we coulda be Jack.
Hey.
Nice.
Yes.
Touch me and just me make me jump and rejoice. Nice. Every night and day.
She's got me. Techniques.
Good over evil, me tell them say your life over there. Man up right, me tell them say I try in flesh. Black people, Babylon no do not feel left. Them tag you up the whole them a friend.
I swear that I will never switch. I swear I keep on singing songs like this.
I swear that I will never itch
To listen for people when I make a switch. I swear.
that I will never switch. I swear I keep on
Original
making
Chuck
songs like
Bender.
this.
Techniques.
That I will never itch to defend poor people.
If I was to tell you just how much I need you, would you come tonight?
Would you come tonight, really?
Would you not believe me? Cause I love that easy. Never
Turns alright.
I'm trying to change the rules. You deserve something good in your life.
Techniques.
We waited for far too long. So come get your blessings tonight. Baby, won't you come over, love?
Yeah.
So I can show you love.
Alright.
Promise I got enough to give you all that you need.
Baby.
Oh, and it's such to find. Love is as cool as mine.
It's a sign.
I'm gonna waste your time. So baby, okay. You're my favorite boy. You bring such joy to my world.
Tell me I'm your.
Favorite girl.
He's your
Favorite boy. Come dance with me.
forever.
Tell me I'm your favorite girl.
Alright, you ready for the next one?
Love the way you look, me love the way all you walk one. Me love the food you cook, me love the clothes where you have on.
Oh.
Yeah, me love the way you keep me safe in a stand. And you alone can make me feel down. Well, me never feel like this from a van. But now me see the right thing clearly on the wall. You and me are the right thing clearly overall. Loving running over like
Yeah, man, Selector Techniques ready when you're ready.
favorite boy.
Just like
you bring such joy to my world. Tell me I'm your favorite.
Ever since we met, baby, no need for running around.
This boy, he cools me down. He cools me down. Techniques.
And time is a wasting whenever you're not around.
King man, you cool me down.
Girl,
You cool me down. Yeah. Where would I be, love? Where would I be? Where would I be without my mama? Hey,
mommy, me love you, there's nothing I'd put on but
yeah.
no house, nor no girl, nor no car. Stand firm in my life, nothing about you.
Yes,
From a
I.
barn, me and you are par. Mommy, you're my princess. Mommy, you're my dance first lady in my life. And girl, I'm you understand. Special dedication
To the big woman.
from your love, your mama made me see your hand.
Put up your line for your mama.
Lighter for your mama.
Selector, you better pull up that one for your mama. Sing loud for your mama. Pull it up. Yeah, man. You know, I survived 21 surgeries and I'm here today. And I really give thanks to God and my mom. Let me tell you something in this life. Let me get serious, kidogo, eh? If you have a mother, if your mother is still alive today, make sure you take care of her, bless her, call her, visit her, and do anything you can for your mama. Because when all else is gone, it's just God and mom, right? It's God and mom, right? Yeah, man. So big up all our mamas. Selector Techniques, one day thing. Right, yeah.
For my mama.
Yeah. Where would I be, Lord? Where would I be?
Where would I be without my mama? Mommy, me love you, there's nothing I'd put on.
Yeah, man, Faith, you're a mom to be.
And a girl, nor no car. Stand firm in my life, nothing about you. From a barn, me and you are par.
Mommy, you're my princess.
Mommy, I'm a dance first lady in my life. And girl, I'm you understand.
All right.
Special dedication
To the big woman.
from your love, your mama made me see your hand.
Hey.
Supposed to be for your mama, lighter for your mama.
Yeah, man, and also big up all the doctors in the house.
That's the positive vibrations in the air. My boy, I hope you feed me, brother. I hope you feed me, sister. I say 1, 2, just I get passing through. I and I keep it cool, yeah.
Real reggae music.
And what we say,
What is the 1,
2,
Rasta is passing.
I and I keep it cool, yeah. Real reggae music.
Alright, I have a duty.
Just to create good music.
Techniques.
So it can reach to.
Yeah, man, big up Faith. You're soon going to be a mama.
Oh, it's the healing. No one can fight this feeling.
Alright.
Now the world should know. Now the world should know.
Alright. 1, 2.
Yes, I give us the right. Reggae music, how about we say? 1, 2,
hey,
techniques.
Yes.
Select that technique, say whiny. Wine and shake your little waist on the rhythm, sister jam big one and chant it up again. Alright. Sister, hey.
Na.
Leo tunaribu. Hey. What a thing again.
Oh, na.
Technique.
It's been a long time now
Since we do what?
we groove together like this.
A different vibe is in the air. Tell them again.
Happiness on every face.
Hey.
Peace and love for every race.
Yes, I.
Smile and greet with real
Tunaimba kama kwaya.
over again.
Oi. It's been a long time. We know how to fight like this. Tell them.
Whoa, reggae music again.
Oi.
And it's been so long. We don't listen to some old time reggae songs. Play the music again. Yes.
Fire Mama again. Remember when, way back when, positivity was the message we sent. No man I pretend, due to pretend. It used to be a Kenya, no problem. Money I lend, borrow I lend. And them kind of love that we need for extend, yes. Remember when this got them a rock on the pants them, boy. It's been a long time. We know have no vibes like this.
Welcome.
Why? Hey. This is the baddest combination in reggae music. Select your technique.
Left and right.
Just soldiers are come.
Left and right.
Hey, way now.
Ooh, yeah.
Select your techniques once again. We tell them I say.
Here comes trouble. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta
youth. You know fi ask is who. At the general issue we now
Pull up my
warning techniques.
selector.
Welcome.
Why? Hey. Techniques. Alright.
Left and right, just soldiers are come. Left and right.
Way now.
Ooh, yeah. Boy.
Hey,
and them say here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Sent by the Savior, welcome the Rasta youths. I start recruit soldiers for Selassie I roots. To them about roots. Then I feel oxygen.
Rastaman party.
The chalice with it.
In a Rastaman party.
Malice with it. And a roots with it.
Hey, roots and chalice. Alright.
In the roots and chalice.
Hey, in a Rastagal party.
The chalice with it.
Alright, techniques.
If you're ready, make with me.
Boy.
And if you're ready, make with me.
Whoa. Alright, do it for Jah. Again we sing. Hey. Alright, roots and culture. Hey.
And if you're ready, make with
1824 munapenda roots.
me.
Munatambua mizizi. Aya, twende kazi. Select the techniques, eh? Za wale wanyanya, wale wabaya. Alright.
Nation of the beat.
Hey. And every nation have to do it.
Nation of the beat.
Select your techniques,
Every
eh?
nation of the beat.
Right.
Make them do it.
Jamaica with it.
Make them do it. You make them do it. Do it for the heart. Rastafari.
Selector. Techniques.
Rastafari.
Everybody sing again.
Roots and culture.
Hey.
I make with me.
Selector, check this.
Huyu kijana ni mbaya, anaitwa Selector Technics. Right. If I could reach the border, then I would step across. So please take me to the border.
No matter what the cost,
so I'm leaving it. I'm leaving out of Babylon.
Leaving out. I'm leaving out the road.
Alright, oh yes.
I'm leaving out the
this lady,
never be home.
So we want
boogie, 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 a boogie, 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 boogie,
boogie, boogie, boogie. You Selector Technics, you are.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Alright.
Boogie, 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 boogie.
Aya wa maodi tuzitoke.
It goes like this. I heard you said to me,
you wanna be my. Are you sure you wanna be my number one? Are you sure?
yes, my little sister. Never again and be gone, Lord. If you want to be my number one, tell me. If you want to be my number one, let me know, yeah, man. Think you feel like it?
Affairs of the heart.
Together we've grown, if ever apart.
All I want you to know, King Man, your love is life
changing,
and I wouldn't be the same without your darling.
Your love is life saving.
Hey,
you always catch me when I fall.
Technics.
When the two of us drop off and all like lock up.
And I'm a Mia MC again.
Promoter belly full and all the fans gone home. I'm glad that you're more than a friend.
King Man, your life is life
changing, and I wouldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life saving. You always catch me when I fall. There's people just like you and me, we pass them in the traffic that never fall in love, and some me have it, say me lucky. Enough of them not fortunate enough to have somebody. Some just cannot see beyond the flesh, and it's so funny. Never get too caught up in yourself to feel the magic. True love come and pass you by in life, it is so tragic. Opportunity is scarce, so take it while you have it. Don't wait till you are panic. Well, the last man you're there, we make a sick mistake. Left hand if you can, miss out something and break. I am full of it when enough of them are moving. Oh, I think separate, we can't separate.
Only the strong will survive in these times.
Yes.
Only yourself can free your mind. Keep your focus and don't waste time. Leave the beast and the evil
Alright.
The wicked, the man them. The wicked, the man them. The wicked, evil man them. The wicked, evil man them. I tell we don't trust them.
You can trust them.
When the Bible talk about Judas a Muslim,
me no trust them.
we not trust them. If them try take me life, try we first.
Right.
Hey, but mine get so active till it start to a muscle. Them not like me sight when they get to use a hustle. Do we stacking up the paper, put it in a duffel. If a house and car, them know how we have couple. So why I tell you get to youth, we stay out of trouble.
Alright.
Still pressing on in this a everyday struggle. Life is like a crossword and we have to solve the puzzle. No make them juggle down in all the rubble. Alright.
Alright, mnakumbuka ule chali yangu
neatly wrapped up and packed
ule aliniacha matani.
in a scandal back by the gate when I got back.
Alright.
Don't know how she found out where I have been.
Nilimpangia tu vitu nikamwambia mimi si dampiagwi.
Yes,
Mimi ndio mdamp. Are you really gonna mash up with? Alright. 1, Dig a little mistake. Everybody sing again. Are you really
gonna mash up with love life? Have it over, darling, give me a break.
Selector, techniques.
Out of blood and fire goes freedom.
Yes.
The eyes of the world are watching.
Oh, so wait, oh.
To with you.
Everybody sing, say no to
apartheid, say no.
Techniques.
So you covered with the mother of oppression, but soon we'll be bathing
in your wallet wabaya.
So wait, oh.
Everybody sing along,
the world is watching.
Everybody sing,
say no to apartheid, say no.
Come on, choir basi, everybody sing. Yes, so wait, oh. Say no to apartheid.
No.
Techniques. Alright. Reggae na bamba sio. Selector techniques. I am hoping to live a sweet life, but I don't know when Fire Mama fall in love again. Many people
have fallen out of love. Some whisper.
Alright.
They've been trying all along.
Aya.
I am hoping to live a sweet life, but I don't know.
Unajua nasikia siku hizi machali wa Nairobi wana complain sana, wanasema mademo wanapenda chapa. Wakituona wanatuimbia hivi, everywhere she see aya.
They've been trying all along.
Yeah.
Since you've gone away, my life has been so miserable. It's been a week, but it's like a year. Oh my love, will you come back in? Oh my love, will you come back in? Oh my love, will you come back in?
She wants to be like the people on TV. Yeah. She wants to look like Jambi on the magazine. Me have big dreams, hey. Hey. I love you just the way you are. You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, oh.
Kabla swala kamilishe mama, tafadhali Mola mwambie milele anichunge mimi nisichezama, mashetani sinivamie, chuki wivu tunakutezana, linda kwako usiwasikie, kwa nini hatuwezi sote kupendana? Woi wacha niwaambie, labda si wote wenda zimu, labda lana yetu pesa, kesho kipoteza kila kitu, dunia mzima itakucheka. Wanaomba tiweche yangu sumu, wabaki wao ndo kusema, kesho wampigie demu wangu simu, asahau walivyonipenda.
Hey. Ai. Tuendelee tusiendelee? Tuendelee tusiendelee? Yeah man, big up everybody in the party. Kuna watu wameka mkuniona, wengine wananiona for the first time in their lives. Wengine tumetoana mbali kama huyu jamaa hapa. Tulikuwa tunacheza reggae huko downtown, huko River Road. Kwa wale wabaya, yeah man, so big up yourselves. Msijali by the way, mimi ni mghetto na pia mimi ni uptown. I'm an uptown girl too. I can rock it too. Yeah, but you know what? I got love for everybody. And I love to love. And I pray that all of you have the gift of love in your hearts. Because it's the most important thing in this life today. Nothing else matters. Selector techniques, run it. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Kabla swala kamilishe mama,
Hey.
tafadhali Mola mwambie milele anichunge mimi nisichezama, mashetani sinivamie,
Right.
chuki wivu tunakutesana, kulinda kwako siwasikie. Kwa nini hatuwezi sote kupendana? Wai, wacha niwaambie, labda si wote wenda zimu, labda laana yetu pesa. Kesho kipoteza kila kitu, dunia mzima itakucheka. Wanaomba tigiweche yangu sumu, wabaki wao ndo kusema. Kesho wampigie demu wangu simu, asahau walivyonipenda. Ona hayawana, ayayayayaya, oh hayawana wasi watu hawa. Ayayayayaya, na binadamu kageuka mnyama. Hayawana, have your own style. She wants to be like
who
them people on TV.
Right, I know.
She wants to look like
Jambi on the magazine.
She got big dreams.
Hey.
See herself on the big screen. Yeah.
Alright.
She asks, do you love me? I say you're just right.
Absolutely, I love you just
the way you are, girl.
You don't have to change, you don't have to do a thing, no.
Just the way you are, girl. If you put on a boat, if you take off a boat. Just the way you are, girl. Wake up with no makeup.
I don't mean to be bad, but it was so good. Girl, you should've seen me and your boyfriend. Girl, you should've seen me and your boyfriend.
Guys, I know you shoulda see you me cock it up. You shoulda see you me wine it up.
You shoulda seen you slap it up.
Kama uko na chali yako unajui reggae ama dancehall, mlete kwangu nitamfundisha, alafu nitakurudishia.
Girl, you trained him well, so took your hand, girl, ring off your bell. And don't feel no way, me bar up the askel. You must have taught him how to find the G-spot. You must have shown him how to work what he got. I know you trained him how to stir up the pot. So thank you, girl, for your A1 card. Girl, you should have seen me and your boyfriend. Girl, you should have seen me and your boyfriend. You should have seen you, my got the good. You should have seen you, my back the good. You should have seen you, slap it good. You should have seen.
If you feel like you have me wrapped up around your little finger, and everybody lick me cheap and you, as I'm programmed to you, think you alone can love me and not be broken if you. And everybody, don't. I beg you, baby, don't. I say don't come back. Hey, I'll be fine. Hey. Anytime you're ready, when you're ready, if you're ready to go. Yo, ka ningekuwa msanii wa sanaa ningekuwa na Kawasaba yo. Sikiza sauti kutoka Kenya mpaka Saudi Arabia, majabu ya Mr. Firaudi. Huyu mtupa anafanya wavue maboksa likama wauni, uenda wazimu na saa. Sikiza hii story vizuri jamaa, reggae na ifanyia mafans. Selector techniques so.
Thank you, deserve me corazón. So nice to meet you, could you tell me where you're from?
Alright.
Never seen a girl like you, you're hotter than the sun. Hotter than the sun, girl, you're hotter than the sun. Sweet mama, Sisi, thank you, deserve me corazón. So nice to meet you, could you tell me where you're from? Never seen a girl like you, you're hotter than the sun. Hotter than the sun, girl, you're hotter than the sun.
Big up
me and you together.
Big up Double Trouble. Sister Aileen, big up yourself.
Girl, magical vibe, I don't want to be done. I need to give me your love, I never give you no bun. I wanna give you my love, give you my love, give you my love, baby. I wanna give you my love, give you my love, all of my love. Sweet, sweet, sweet love. I wanna give you my love, give you my love, give you my love, baby. I wanna give you my love, give you my love, all of my love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you feel like you have me wrapped up around your little finger, yo.
And everybody
feel as if you lick me chip and I'm think you alone can love me and not be broken if you
walk out. Yes.
But anytime you
decide if you pack up your things and leave.
Selector, techniques. Everybody sing along now. There's another one, alright, skylarking. Hey,
got to give it a try. If you want to
Selector, techniques, you are there, you're matching it up. Alright, skylarking. 1824 we are
Skylarking.
Hey,
That's what you do today.
that one your name, alright.
Skylarking.
We don't stop again.
Skylarking. But we say what we always say.
Alright, be ready when you're ready, yeah, man. Hey, I say be ready when you're ready. A long time be ready for the band don't go to Babylon. That one your name, alright, be ready when you're ready, yeah, man. Hey, we say we ready when we ready, yeah, man. That one your name, I say be ready when you're ready. A long time be ready. We go chant don't go to Babylon.
Now what you know, I try to run for places.
Yes.
And I sight all hungry for faces. Man in a Gideon
suit and a military suit.
Now highly alone my face.
Alright, this is the female version of David. Pharaoh and Goliath, me no play with. Alright,
I'm standing all alone with a round of a stone. We go bust the
ready when you're ready. Alright,
Charging up, partying up, boy and guy. Dirty Babylon in a them room and cry. From your instigator, you to see them rules apply. Them standing at sniper zone with the fight. We say we ready, when we ready, yeah, man. Look, you know we ready, when we ready, yeah, man.
we say we ready, yeah, me ready. A long time be ready.
Tell the cook say that this don't come around. If the cook me no rinse, man, I boy a club. Videos me have to give. I tried always, I tried. Cook say that this don't come. Mangaroo, we been smoking herb from. Herb on me label and the slogan, gun.
A ganja man plant, no.
We been smoking herbs from a very long time now. Herb on me label and the slogan, gun. After one I know, brother, don't out here, no good me done.
Ama.
And anyway you take it,
Analog or digital.
I'm still a ganja head.
Techniques.
Herbs on me sacrament, so very spiritual. I'm a ganja head. And the high bread helps me sexually. I'm still a ganja head.
Techniques.
Give me Charlie's lap.
Give me some chopper.
Load it like big gun, I load with copper. Load it up proper. Hear me now, me dapper. Rasta go earth with no cracker. Earth with no lacquer. If I the cool thing, me say no bother. So I like it high grade, earth with the grubber. I like it natural, so don't bother. Warrior, action no bag of lava. We are no brothers, and we are no criminal. I'm a ganja head. No matter where you take it, analog or digital. I'm still a ganja head.
Them can't light no more. Them say them nah.
Yeah, man, original sounds of Dwayne Stevenson. We not bang down.
It seemed like divine intervention or something from up above.
Yeah, man, wangapi wanaenda job kesho? Ama ni leo?
Marijuana and seemed
Wangapi wanaingia job leo?
it was a bright day.
Hata si tuko job sahi.
Squad, take one draw. Him saying go and change up the law.
Yeah, man, techniques. Let's go. Hey, DJ, can you play that? Everybody sing along.
Set the mood for me.
To all a different energy.
I'm loving how the music sounds.
Select the techniques you are there.
You see the woman, them we are breathe.
Yeah.
Hey, chimney, give me little. Make the bass line roll and catch.
I love how the rhythm just a chop. Me and me king man a rock alright.
Give me little. Rastafari never leave us. So even when the road get rocky, I said me never give up.
Hey, I said there ain't no giving in. And when the going gets tough,
I said there ain't no going. My people,
don't give up.
I said there ain't no giving in. No,
yeah.
Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. When
I can't take it no more. Baby, if I walk out that door, you know I won't be coming back again. Why you torturing me, baby, with your sad misery?
Kama uko na msupu wako machali yako anakusumbua, unamleta 1824 every Wednesday.
I don't know what to do.
Alright?
Every time I get next to me, you say yes,
you say no,
you say something, then you say something. Oh baby,
mwambie tena,
you're a cheater and you're hurting me bad.
Alright, check this.
I don't know what to do. Every time I get next to you, you say yes, you say no, you say something, then you say something. Oh baby, you're a cheater and you're hurting me bad.
I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry's not good enough for me, baby. I'm sorry that you're sorry, but sorry can't dry my tears, lady. Each time we fight,
you come with the same story.
No, you're sorry, but I'm sorry, cause I can't accept your apology. You say it, don't mean it. You say it, but me not believe it. You say it, but you don't mean it. You say it, but me not believe it. Where you want me for the?
Why you so repetitive? Oh, you can't tell me. Yeah man, you can't tell me nothing. Kama chali yako anakuchezea. By the way, kuna machali ka 50 billion hii Kenya, si ndio? Unachukua wengine watatu. Unamwambia Buda, mimi ni ule mbaya. Hapana chezea mimi. Akileta shida unamwambia nakuletea shida marambekse, ki double trouble. Selector techniques, let's go. We sing again, you'll make it. Lakini ni poa kwa tuna chali moja na dem moja, sawa?
If you try, don't sit down there and sigh.
Hey!
We can make it.
Everton Blender says this.
Don't sit down there and cry. Put your shoulders to the wheel, and your goal you will achieve. That's the way to reach the top. I know that the time is rough. You know that the life is tough, but you can't afford to give up now. You may feel if you try. Listen to the people's cry. Don't sit down there and sigh.
Right.
Let me tell you all this brother says. On the man's side, let me see. Now look at the people struggling, children suffering.
Alright. Blame the system.
So much suffering, bigger breaks suffering. The love is missing. The people struggling, children suffering.
Alright.
Blame your system. So much suffering, bigger breaks suffering. That love is missing. Don't care for show love no more. I'm feeling so hurted to the core. Sort us out, we need the cure instead of fussing and fighting them.
Yeah man, sasa ni kuzitoka. Kama unajua una kiuno, get ready. Kama unajua una kiuno kaa yangu kuja. Alright, check this, let's go.
The people struggling, children suffering.
Yeah man, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Alright. We gotta play again. Select a tell this fire boom and jamming. We are there, can't get enough of our love. Yeah. Alright.
Listen this girl.
Check it. Can't get enough of your love.
Sleep at night without you by my side. Baby, me dash when me pride. I love you real, I no sick no way you hide.
Okay.
Girl, me have to call every day.
Hey.
Check for you, make sure you're okay.
Wind up your waist.
Me never woulda leave, baby girl, you know me not straight.
And everybody
so me say me can't get enough of your love. Baby, me can't get enough of your love. Girl, me say me can't get enough of your love. Baby, me can't get enough of your love. So me say me can't get enough of your love. Can't get enough of your love. Baby, me can't get enough of your love. Can't get enough of your love.
let's go.
Reasons why I love you, one. Like my day, you are my son. Reasons why I love you, two. I cannot get enough of you. Reasons why I love you, three. I know that you'll be true to me. The reason I will stay with you. I know you love me too.
The reason I will stay with you. Everybody sing along with me again.
I know
that you love me too. Check next. Hey.
Oh, so
yeah. Nice.
Oh, so
yeah.
Oh, so yeah.
Inside 1824.
So the green.
Sha la 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 la. Wicked. Everybody feeling irate. Twendele to siendele. Twendele to siendele. Yaman selector techniques. Drop the thing again. Once again.
Yeah.
The music commanding. Make everybody dancing.
Everybody sing.
Alright then.
Up on the banking.
Alright,
rude boys and rude girls skanking.
Everybody feeling irate. No bad vibes in this party. Step in with my queen beside me. Dancing till the morning. It's an irate feeling, I'm feeling irate. Everybody move, everybody lively. All courtesy of General, and it's alright. Me step on your shoes, excuse me politely. Hey, we no wanna trouble that tonight, so no bother but no fight. Do not kill the vibes now. Yeah, me see a girl in a delight, where you bubble in a tights, and I look my way. Girl, you look nice, but me there with my wife. Me nah this, could never this. Compliments, selector, play this one.
Okay, rocking my baby in the treetop. So nice,
yeah, man, big up my boy Larry Adams all the way in New Jersey.
Find a weak spot.
Hey,
weekend
love, everybody sing.
Monday and Tuesday we can't link up. Wednesday and Thursday we have to work so. Friday on my day, nice this fuck. Can't wait to cuddle up, so baby hurry up and come my weekend love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright.
When we make love all night, all day.
Everybody sing.
Weekend love, yeah, yeah.
Everybody dance.
When we make love.
Check this.
Me just want the week done to all my well want see you. Have a package I know my well want give you. Check in from my base, you know when I have to go I real me. You want some wine, what a real nice trio. Me have the remedy, mixed with the energy.
Me a the general.
You don't need no referee. Set me free, set me free. Use your love and I'll come rescue me. Weekend love, yeah, yeah. When we make love all night, all day. Weekend love, yeah, yeah. When we make love.
Yeah, man, original selector techniques alongside Fire Mama John Bedes. Inside 1824, original Christopher Martin alongside Business Signal. Tende. What is the lyrics of the name of the game? Hey!
Hey yo, Chris! Bring your money now, we back it on y'all on the list.
Alright.
We can't miss.
We touch you, don't know clash. 18 pull up on the ass of them a flash.
Wanga pini my fans of vibes, cartel apa.
When the girl them see we all of them a scream. Black cast like my fire gas.
I what I say.
The paper chases like 100 meter dash. Up on the stage because the works them a feel mash. And so the cameras are flash.
Daddy da.
Daddy da. Daddy da. Daddy da. Daddy da. Me and my friends.
Step in.
You know
stop worrying about it.
Yeah, man, when they see us together, they're gonna talk.
We know what's in the heart.
Select your techniques.
We know I ain't a fool. No reason for concern.
They're gonna talk, they're gonna talk, they're gonna talk, they're gonna say a lot of things about us. Hey!
You said you know that love is not a sin, but you worry what the people say.
When they see me with you, yeah, wonder what the pride will say. In the meantime, I am waiting for your love. If you know you can love Jambi, unaweza nipenda? Unaweza nipenda? Vile niko hivi, utaniweza? Nilikwambia mimi mbaya. Mimi mbaya. You sure? In the meantime, I am waiting for your love, boy. Better be ready. Nilikwambia mimi mbaya. Techniques.
I am waiting for your love.
Techniques.
Missing faces in my room.
Hey.
I am waiting for your love.
Yes, I.
Lying looking at the moon.
Everybody sing along again with me, again and sing. Emotional.
Devotional. Give me the greatest love.
Hey.
Something there is in heaven.
Right.
Sometimes I just can't hide. Why can't we live together now?
I am waiting for you.
Warrior music, reggae music, Jamaican choose it. European, American,
Yes, I.
and the Caribbean. Whoa, yo. Rasta got soul.
Everybody sing along.
Reggae music rocking my bones.
My bone.
My bone. It's never getting old.
Alright.
Reggae music more and more.
Regional Fanta Mojo, select your
And more. No, you can't influence me to go do any that thing for me. But a reggae music me a sing. Some don't know the history and don't know the thing. Big mouth them no stop blabbering.
Yes.
Enough now show respect to the elder them. We have to crown them, heights them as a great legend. You can't come tell me say you are the man when reggae music you no understand. Boy, enough of them don't know about the music. Them just a hustle and a try to abuse it. Boy, them just wanna see them want to rape and a sell we are cheap. Respect to the youths them we bust from the ghetto across the road. Them a reggae music a echo. For them a bandwagonists. Them can't follow this. Listen the lion we are got soul.
Select your technique, sing again.
Reggae music rocking my bone. My bone. It's never getting old. Reggae music more
Yeah, man, we
and
get Elaine all the time.
more.
You ready to dance now?
Italian, Germany,
Are you ready to dance?
Germany. All over in a room, even down a Cali. I was say them up sure we don't see nobody. This is not a competition. Check the vision. Reggae music no cause no friction. No friction. Why yo? Rasta got so.
Alright, in the meantime, let me say, it's a great vibe to be in 1824 tonight. Nasikia leo waga ni dancehall Wednesdays, right? But sasa mimi, I'm an empress, so I gotta play some reggae, you know? Yeah, you know, mi waga ni mrasta mbaya. But I can't forget that there's some dancehall fans in the house, right? And I know you got waistlines like mine. Na mnataka kunionesha vile nyinyi mnaweza, lakini niliwaambia mimi ndio ule mzee. Techniques, drop it.
She will give me anything I want.
Alright.
For me, I worth it.
Kama unajua wewe ni mbaya, kuja hapa.
Yeah.
Kuja hapa.
She give me anything
Kama
I
unajua wewe
need.
ni mzee.
For me, I search it. You know my girl is perfect. Yeah. She was born in Jamaica. Prettiest girl on the land. She knew about me before me know her. And she chose me to be her man. She paid for me go Europe, America, Africa, my motherland. And she don't stress me. She check for me. And she don't give me fun with no man. She's my overnight sensation. Worldwide #1. She makes so many girls love me. And she don't get jealous at all. No, overnight sensation. Worldwide #1. Music, you know me love you, baby. You're the melody to my song. No other
Baby, pop it for me. Love when you put it for me.
Right.
The way you wind and go down, girl, me lose control. Gonna get you back.
Remember, on the 5th of February, yeah man, there's gonna be a huge dancing competition right here. 50,000 up for grabs.
Hey, 3 o'clock in the morning, bubbling nice, especially when the rain falling outside. Hey, we no need to rush, we now have nowhere to go. So baby, bubble slow, bubble some more. Bubble like so you a climb on tip of your toe. Don't stop till you feel me a grow. You a share, me a share, and I just so we flow. This is what me tell ya, girl, I just can't get enough. When you're only in your arms, yeah. Oh, I make us not let me go, baby. Bubble, yeah, bubble, now press it slow.
Trying to tell you that I love you, baby girl, but it's all in vain. Trying to tell you that I'll be there for you when you call my name. Every little thing I try to do, it gon' cause you pain. Then I might as well leave you, girl, and don't come back again. Cause you know I can't pretend. I tell you that I give you love straight to the end. But bad mind, I cut you off, them the one we correspond. They don't understand, it's from my heart. Baby girl, you know it's from the start. Well, anyway, it's hard to walk, it's not because you are the top, my better part. Baby girl, I put you at the top. Well, anyway, it's hard to walk, it's not because you are the top.
Situation warrant. Please spend a little time and tell me something less transparent. Me no vex that you lie. My upset so you refuse to try. With higher currents, give a next story again. The last one was a failed transference. Hope you no vex it, my gun. Don't get upset if I choose to move on.
Tell me something that I don't know.
Because we've been down this road before.
Alright.
I'll alert by your window.
Aileen,
I'm not gonna do it. You know what I'm looking for. Oh, you should know me. I don't care about where.
Kuna watu wanapenda spice hapa ndani.
To do.
Wangapi wanapenda spice?
Leave you.
Alright, check it.
When you lie. Make me believe you. Baby, all you have to do is try.
Go down and a wine and a bubble and round a back, this a jump, this a trouble and bust a hug up and a couple and a cuddle and a wine up me body and a bubble and me know me good, have me body does a wine and a boom, 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 have me body does a jump and a boom, 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 boom. Wine pan the ready man a sit down on the
original bad girl, this spice thing.
Me man now fi cheat. Phone take a picture, yeah, that you fit tweet. Tell them gyal them wine a them cave. Look me a boom it and a catch it on the beat. Me just a drop it, how me twerk it and a slap it.
And I want it on the cocky.
How me stuck it and a pop it and a wine it and a lap it. Take a picture, you fi snap it, Facebook it, but crap it.
Yes, that's how me like it.
Look pa me body, how me wine it. How me catch it and a wine it. Bubble and a sit down and a wine it. Yes, that's how me like it. Look pa me body, how me wine it. How me catch it and a wine it. Bubble and a sit down and a wine it.
Worry me no. We sing for the girl.
Oh, what a thing.
One sexy girl.
Alright. Worry me, no worry about. Hey!
We sing for the girl.
Select your technique.
Listen for them and them.
That one your name right at them. Nobody feel lonely.
Nobody me nerves. When they sing the girl, them no nobody me nerves.
Tell them already we have to.
Nobody me nerves. When they sing the girl, them no nobody me nerves.
Tell them already we have to tell them again and now.
Them man a represent for the girl them. Big up the dogs, big up the gangster them. But we call that show now the girl listen them. Don't visit the girl them in the time them hot can come out.
Select a technique, see what they are, you want mash it up again.
DJ a play big junior shack.
Select a technique, see what they are, you want mash it up again.
Worry me no
about them. Hey,
we sing for the girl. One sexy girl.
Oh.
You feel bang it again. And if you take it as a door, you slam it again. Bubble, till down, then I show one. Bubble, till down, then I rip my bed. Underwater, me underwater.
Yeah, man, say original cartel this. If you don't say you love cartel, somebody say I war.
Underwater.
And I love it when you take it and you take it. Sit down on the matic, it a vanish like a magic. Skip it and you happy if you sell, you make a profit. Up in the attic of the two.
Big up DJ Trouble.
Thing I am a swimmer, so damn the aquatic. Tell you so erratic, if I saw you give me graphic. And dig you in every little topic. And me wish me coulda take you put in a me pocket. Make you so polite. Tell Superman you are the kryptonite.
Yeah.
Go strip tonight, fit take tonight. You arrive.
And dance on Wednesday this.
Hustle man a hustle, want the food so I hustle man a hustle. We not stop from trying, we must reach, mama don't cry. Believe me now, well man want money in them pocket. All who have gun go lock it. Violence and crime rate to no fi drop it. Cause man want food. Hustling. One day me say me must get money. Me not the slave investor.
Why them boy they know what's me no know, they know what's me no know. Them bad mind energy, I be a bad vibes. Dirty heart, them know how we strive. Them enemy, them know how we survive. Them know how to we roll out and fight. Them energy, I be a bad vibes. Dirty heart, them know how we strive. Them enemy, I be a bad mind. Them boy, they not have no one know you know me friend. Me not lie, me not pretend. Me want a friend to be me friend like Chucky to the end. Me no want a friend, but chat behind me back. I want to them. I walk and all about them out like say them is a head. Me shoulda know so them stay from little and grow. Them all just said my coffee make it running now we throw them slushy up. Cause we first made them fly on plane. Travel go on New York, go use them bad mind energy, I be a bad vibes. Dirty heart, them know how we strive. Them my enemy, them know how we survive. Them know how to we roll out, now they fight. Them energy, I be a bad vibes. Dirty heart, them know how we strive. Them my enemy, I be a bad mind. Them boy, they not have them happy live up how we name. And the only way them get little fame. We are God bless youth, we are them and not the same level name. While we are step up now the game, none are ravers, slavers can't come play. Them girl bad mind, them not have God mind. Like the demons, them we can't slide the swine. Them heart well dirty, it won't wash off with line. Bishop them can't stop you from shine. Them bad mind energy, I be a bad vibe. Dirty heart, them know how we strive. Them my enemy, them know how we survive. Them know how to roll out and the fight. Energy, I be a bad vibe.
Girl up like a big tune player line. Stand up on the stage and DJ. Hey, give you love in a professional way. Alphabet love you come first like the game. My chemistry is like a fireworks display. So when we link up it's like New Year's Day. Hey, crazy foreplay, that's how me forte. Don't be afraid, give me your love, it's okay. Can't go out, I love you, know it's there every day. Super love me, give to you, fill up the resume. Hey, and baby girl, you want me one and only. It's a mess for you, you need but like no one and only. Girl, you never would have never left you lonely. You want me from me there, you told me.
Don't make me say
Get ready to switch position.
Die, die.
Boy. Select your techniques, see what they are mashing up. Fire more machine, they are chanting up. Alright.
Die, die, die.
I'm in a loving mood.
Boy, take me head and shoot it on his shoulder. Somewhere under bed, the phone play under. Turn on the TV and start the drama. When me a dance, cock it down, him say be wine under. Me daddy beat me a ball fi mama. Him a play string guitar, me a bang piano. Sound string up nice and make our this me under. Sweater run out a race in a the love saga. Die, 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 die. Die, 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 die. Right? Die, 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 die. Die, die. The lover sweet me, boy. The lover sweet me, boy. Boy, the lover sweet me. Die, 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 die.
Is your girl good? Is your girl good?
Tip
want your name, but you're good.
Girl, you good, girl, you good, girl, you good. Balance pan the same thing just like you should. You
up and down.
brass here really good. Look good in a clothes and your falls here good. So clean, no good.
Nasikia siku hizi wanaimbaga hivi.
Everything.
Diangara.
With them cash.
Sisi ni wale wa diangara.
Feel good. Get a girl, them a right pan the same thing good. You take girl, them bright, them brains good. Uptown girl love the neighborhood. And me a them neighbor treat the neighbor.
Baby, shake your bum bum.
Hey, bam bam, shake your bam bam. Alright, what a bam bam bam. Everybody sing what a bam bam bam. Alright, shake your bam bam bam.
XOXO, my love is very special. If you want it, you can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say.
Chunga usipatane na demo wa ghetto. Atakuacha na fever, malaria, zote. Fever ya Vybz Kartel.
Set it, broke it, set it,
alright.
Broke it, set it, broke it, set it.
Fever.
Shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not.
Ghetto girl, she a good.
What you say?
Hey.
My name is Ricky Lynx.
Alright.
She want me right, want me eat up. She said no mercy, just speed up. She want me fly, she not ease up. She said no mercy, just speed up. She want me dilly, she want me dolly. She want me burn tires and Indo. She want me flash shot it and style up and show them say that me a stunt tattoo. Girl, they said good on the bike, but show everybody said that you know that. Girl, bumper round her back, but if you flap, we no want to see that. Girl, let me say ball out more speed. The broken white line, she don't want to see it. But a girl hard like that, but me love how she don't want the bike back. She want me right, want me ease up. She said no mercy, just speed up. She want me fly, she no ease up. She said no mercy, just speed up.
She love done back weird. Can't tell the pressure,
Right.
The man ya look slave in the ganda water. Now the fire start blaze. Everybody go kata hard right. You turn up in a the saddle, me and you not die. Everybody go kata hard right. You turn up in a the saddle, me not done. Him love when me and body grung and me back up. Him love when me back up. And body grung and me back up.
Yeah man, original chance here this.
Back up.
Hey girl, touch the ground, then you back up.
She a give you a hard drive, once you back it up.
Wine and go down, then you back up. Hard drive, back up.
Right.
Wine go down, don't tell me no. No fast start when you the dance go.
Kuna pia mamuri wako veve hapa ndani.
Keep it down low, tell me
wananistuka. Ingoma inaitwa hard drive. Kama una hard drive buda usiniangalie.
My favorite tracer, any friend of you can be a friend of me.
Anyway, na joke too.
Back up, yeah. I just love how you set up and back up. Full of talk, now we walk and you stuck. Back up like a lump truck.
Him love when me and body come to me back up.
Streets
him love when me back up. And body come to me back up.
Yes, I.
Now them no nervous. Let me tell you about.
In the meantime, business signal attend.
No boy can go round we. Hey, and I saw the.
Enough of them stay so.
One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat.
What?
From you not stop my food dog, me no matter about you and me no care about that.
Acha kuniangalia na blast.
Say them run place, I run them run round that. Man a action back, some boy only full of tough chatter.
So enough of them stay so.
Enough of them stay so.
Alright.
Enough of them stay so. Talk them a talk, no action fi back. Enough of them stay so. Enough of them stay so.
Alright.
Enough of them stay so. Chat them a chat me now.
I'm me a the Black Panther from down Wakanda.
Yeah man, to my friends over there from Brazil.
You give me this time.
When you come to Kenya, this is how we party. Wine it.
Are you a miss?
yatty yatty. You know say the girl say me come back. If you know want a girl, use a pull.
Alright, I want your name.
Man, put a bread in your oven, but it a go.
One up on the cocky once again, we take it down.
Turn around, walk in and hug up your woman, cause you know how much she love jam. This a no bag of mouth, a straight up action. Turn it up like 99 jams. Mr. Right round the world, them a play this a Wakanda jam, jam,
jam. Yeah man, in the meantime, you know say it's all about selector techniques. Fire Mama Jambi. And I came in straight like a rapture. Because I'm Fire Mama, I burn up hotter than lava. Selector techniques, run the tune. Jambi come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured.
Play sleep up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrics contractor. Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor. Coffee hotting up the temperature for them see. Me know the man fi but friend me fi any. Yo, I first me see people there around me so plenty, but me pocket na empty. Me need space so large. Yeah, me see them and watch me through a cup now. I'ma see through me everything for lockdown.
Alright, si tunamalizia tunataka kwenda home.
Drench me but fi me fire go.
Gedha yetu mbaya.
Me see the enemy a protest. Oh, and him could come the closest. No, I can feel still I do the mostest. I want me to put in the work and just the process. Oh, yes, that's how we grind right now. Coffee.
It's the first time I'm playing in 1824.
We accumulate the kinds I know. Me say, give me the signs like. Whoa, coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like a helicopter. When them see the lyrics contractor. Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured.
Yeah, so as we wind up, man, big up everybody for coming through 1824. Yeah, man, it's a big deal, it's a big thing, and I love it. Big up everybody. Thank you so much for the support. Yeah, do you want us to come next Wednesday? Should we come back next Wednesday? Next Wednesday? Any day? Anytime? All right, let's take it reggae style as we wind up. Enough love. Thank you very much. Yes, you guys. Yeah. Big up everybody. I love you all. Yes, I salute you all. And I just want to tell you, don't you ever give up. Never give up on anything. God lives and is real. Yeah. I go by the name of Jambi. To experience, from dependence to independence. Naitwa Jambi, Jambi, oh. Well, now I am loved and I have been loved. I am judged and I have been judged. Jambi, everybody sing Jambi, oh. So where there comes a storm, there is victory. By the ilo fala yote nimeongea hapa ni jokes tu. Mini dem moja serious sana. Right. Everybody sing again. Oh Johnny. The one your name alright we sing. Said I never get. I never get. Jambi. Oh Johnny. Yes I. Hey. Said I never get. I never get period. Stitch it. Everybody sing, Jambi, the one your name alright we sing. So I left my home in the morning. I wanna go home in the evening. Jambi, everybody sing. You want to pick up the high table and not respect for me.
March out. It's a wedding in the morning. My God. It's a wedding in the morning. My gosh, I'm getting married in the morning. Come rain or shine.
Uselekta kiendelea hivi sioni nikienda home.
I got to get me to the church on time.
Alright, this song is called Ready for My Wedding Day.
I found me a good girl.
Nani anataka tuende harusi? Tukitoka hapa Sheria House mara hiyo hiyo.
This time tomorrow, the girl is mine.
Uitwe Mr. Jambi.
I'm ready for my wedding day. My wedding day.
ati aje?
Ready, 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 ready.
Siku hizi tumekuwa mafeminist mbaya.
Ready for my wedding.
Hapana.
My wedding.
Nasikia mnakuwaga na chuki na moja.
Ready, ready.
Ati boy child and asieke.
Wedding day. I'm getting mad.
Lakini mimi natambua boy child mbaya. Mimi ni wa maboy child.
To see.
Ningeweza kuwabeba nyi wote mkwe wangu.
When all my friends and our families.
Ningewa.
Me.
Check it.
They're gonna see that lady walking by my side.
Alright,
my God.
Alright.
She's a royal. They say that about my bride.
I can't see that far, but pick up yourselves, man.
Ready for my wedding day. My wedding day. Ready, 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 ready for my wedding day.
Long time me I tell you such a trade and style, but you wouldn't listen at all. See, they know you're making everything gone spoil with your fighting back against the wall. You've been getting digit, but you just won't learn. Watch your back before your skin get burned.
Relationship advice: control your temper.
Simmer, sim, sim, sim.
Eric Donaldson said that.
Control your temper.
Na cheki bebe inararuka mdogo mdogo tu. Dagi mdagi.
Simmer, sim, sim, simmer. Control your temper. When then your lyrics I get to your head, you will be running up and down like a swine. Them your rhythm dropping like 1 ton of lead, destiny to break some spine. You don't need a clip from a lion's paw, or an elephant to break your jaw. Simmer, simmer, sim, simmer, simmer, sim, 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 simmer, simmer, control your temper. Oh, simmer, simmer, sim, simmer, 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 sim.
In my whole life, my whole life, I had a dream. My whole life, my whole life.
I heard Nobody Can Stop Reggae is the biggest tune in Kenya nowadays. That tune been the biggest tune long time.
Many people hate appetite.
Why
do you like it?
Too many people
hate appetite.
Why
do you like it?
Yeah, you African,
yeah, European.
In the other man, we gotta come and together is.
Hey, you Rastaman, hey, European.
In the other man, we gotta come and together is one.
Hey, you Rastaman, hey, European. In the other man, we gotta come and together as one. Don't forget the Japanese.
Hey,
young girl,
in love with the dreadlocks. Oh oh, alright we sing. Young little girl say she love her naughty, she love her naughty dreadlocks.
On to bed.
Young little girl say she love her naughty dread,
she love her naughty dreadlocks. On to bed.
I can tell my daddy,
oh, and she can't tell her daddy so. Oh, cause they would be so mad, and they would be so sad.
Alright, I love her.
Oh, and she love her, yeah. Oh, I love her, yeah. And she love her, yeah. When she's walking on the street,
all I hear them say is psst, psst, psst.
When she's walking on the street,
all I hear them say, she looks so nice, hey.
I love her, whoa. Cause she don't get attracted to the sound. I love her, whoa.
Yeah, man, original roots and culture, this don't call us
attracted to the sound.
Whoa. Missing my baby, and I want my baby back.
I'm sitting on the fence like an old broken arrow, head in my hands like there is no tomorrow.
Oh, my baby is living and I can't stand the pain. Hey!
Down the road there's a big time sound system, playing all the latest hot dance on rhythm.
And it's really rocking my brain, my brain, my brain. Technics.
So play me a Paris or a Dennis Brown, one of them real sweet lovers rock.
Hey.
And turn up the music just a little bit more so she can hear it from around the block.
Alright.
This is a special dedication to my girl Marie. Tell her I want her to come back to me.
Alright, we sing.
And this time I'm gonna love her around the clock. Non stop.
Everybody sing again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah man, that's the song ule chali yangu alikuwa naimba. But in the meantime, if you know say you love reggae music, this is a disease. Hii reggae wagambaya sana, chunga sana, unaweza kuwa mgonjwa kama mimi, uongeage pepe mingi kama mimi. So kama unajua unapenda reggae, somebody say ra. This is a special dedication to you. Original Peter McIntosh, this tallest member of the Wailers. A reggae my light is Selector Technics. Run the thing. Woke up this morning with a funny feeling.
And that feeling,
it wasn't a very usual feeling.
Was an unusual feeling.
Alright, we sing again, we tell them sing again. Alright, ina makido go. Ulienda kwa daktari akakwambia wina mekidogo. Ina makido. The one your name. Yeah man, thank you very much 1824. We see you next time. Fire Mama Jambi and Selector Technics. We pave way for Brio. Hey. You can follow us on our pages on Instagram, Selector Technics and Jambi Kwekai. God bless all of you. Get home safe. We see you again next time. Yeah, and I love you all. Technics.
I went to the door.
Yeah man, big up Selector Technics alongside Fire Mama Jambi, Street Empire Stylings, ya Zimi, ya wale wabaya.